Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.